Experience luxury living at its finest with this beautifully maintained one-bedroom apartment in Al Sultana, Shoreline Apartments, Palm Jumeirah. Boasting 1,144.63 square feet of elegant space, this home features a renovated bathroom, two modern bathrooms in total, and fully fitted kitchen appliances. Wake up to breathtaking views of the sea, Burj Al Arab, and pristine beach from your window. As a resident, you'll enjoy exclusive private beach access, multiple swimming pools, state-of-the-art gym and wellness facilities, and 24/7 security with concierge services. Covered parking is also included for your convenience. This is more than just an apartment. It's a lifestyle of comfort, elegance, and unforgettable views in one of Dubai's most prestigious addresses.